this is Hans the Ramenrator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and happy Valentine's Day. It's weird because it's November 3rd for me, but I hope you're enjoying your Valentine's Day, which just occurred to me. Lovely hot Buldak, half spicy, just seemed the right thing to do on a day like this. This came by way of a guy named The Fat Hipster. Look him up on YouTube. Nice guy. Sends me cool stuff. And he likes spicy stuff. He'll do reviews of it. He does reviews of all sorts of interesting things. I just do the noodles. He does a lot of different things. Now it looks like this noodle block gets cooked for 3 minutes. I'm gonna look at it again, but I'm pretty sure it is only 3 minutes. That looks like 5. Oh, 600 mils, 3 cups for 5 minutes. Okay, let's grab our mega clock. Oh, we said 5 minutes. Start. All right, 5 minutes. Isn't that rad? That's the new clock. You'll also see me saying this is a brand new clock in the next episode, because see, I'm doing these out of order because the one that comes out today is the one that I'm doing last. Okay? I don't know. You people don't give a crap about the stuff I have to go to bring you a fine-tooled episode of noodle cooking. But, yeah. Pretty neat timer. I really like this. So if you have to, you can fast forward. I would prefer that you didn't. And listen to me yammer while I cook. But if you really can't handle that, tell you. That's rude. Rude! So yeah, Valentine's Day. I guess I could start planning for Valentine's Day, but it's kind of a ways off. 1, 2, 3, almost 4 whole months away. I think I'll do okay. The next thing I got to plan for is, well, we've got Thanksgiving next, then Black Friday. I like Black Friday. And then we have my daughter's birthday. Actually, tomorrow in my temporal existence would be my mother's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. And then my mother-in-law's birthday is coming up right after that. Happy birthday, Mom. And then Mimi's birthday is in December, about a week from Christmas. Happy birthday, Mimi. And then Christmas, then New Year's, then I don't know, but what I'm looking forward to see is a lot of political news and crazy business surrounding the midterm elections. It's either going to go whoa or nothing's going to happen. We'll see what happens. I don't know. I really don't know. But yeah, we shall see. And if you have any doubt, please kindly contact us. Support at VokuVIP.com. Any doubt about what? It's really what it says on the back of this timer. Do you have any doubt? Look at that. If you have any doubt, please contact us. I doubt this would do very well in the microwave. I should ask them if it's microwavable. I could. I don't know. I doubt that would be like... I'd probably like, why they ask this question? Why? Oh, and I'm going to use this thing to actually do a timer while I do the mukbang of this. So you're not going to see me eat it in this episode, this video. There'll be the spicy noodle, professional spicy noodle mukbang show with me. I'm going to do it right here. And yeah, I'll use this as the timer instead of the one that I usually have inset in the corner. So that's kind of neat. I don't know. I like doing the timer because it's just kind of fun, but it's really not a necessity. But got a minute left. I guess I should prepare thusly. Are there any Cokes in here? Where's my Coke valet? Could you imagine? Oh, there are. They're way in the back. But yeah, could you imagine having your own Coke valet? I remember articles saying that dude had his Coke valet, and there was like a list of rules that if the former president guy wanted a Coca-Cola, you had to like serve it in this exact way. Place the glass down, put the ice in it piece by piece with the tongs, pour the Coke into it, and have the label of the Diet Coke facing him. It's just like, yeah. That's I gotta say, that's pretty cool. That makes me think he's like an absolute weirdo. He might actually might not be that bad to hang out with as long as he, I don't know. Okay. What am I saying? The guy's a kook. I think. I don't know. You might enjoy the guy, but I'm not a. No, but you knew that already. I'm one of those liberal folks. Oh yeah, so now for the part that everybody gets mad. So you're supposed to use a half a cup, that's 8 spoons of water. And you stir fry it for 30 seconds. I'm gonna tell you first off, there's no way you are going to get a half a cup of water to absorb into noodles in that period of time, unless you're using the widest skillet known to humankind. If you want to do it in a way that is not the way that they tell you to do it, that's fine with me. But don't have a freaking tantrum about it at me, okay? That will not end well for you. That'll just end up with me going, dude. That's been funny too, because I've had people like get really ticked off about it. That's not how you do it. You're supposed to not do. You don't know what you're doing. What kind of idiot are you? I'm like, actually, this is exactly what I verified this with the company. You're trying to tell me that you actually talked to the company? Whatever, dude. Yeah, actually, I have. Very nice lady, my contact with the development team over at this company. So, yeah. But yeah, it's true. It is true. I've talked to people at Samyang Foods. It's really not hard to do if you are the ramen guy and you've done a bazillion reviews and you review their stuff that often and they send you samples. You're gonna talk to them. So. But yeah, I do. I talk to them. All right. You do about 30 seconds. I'll do a little extra for you people that, you people that can't take it. Well, my favorite argument is that when there's too much sauce with it, it dilutes it. It makes it so much less strong. It's like, that's a big load of crap, and you know it. It should be pretty good, though. The packaging is really a lot like the, what do you call it? Oh, what's that one called? Yeah, doesn't that look like the light? The Buldak light? And I think the difference is just that this noodle doesn't have, what do you call it? This one doesn't have a non-fried noodle. This has a fried noodle. That okay with you? Is that non-saucy enough for you? Well, that soaked up a lot of it. Although I did use just a skosh less than normal. Just to keep you people happy. Yeah, you people. Can you believe it? You can just call this you people. What is that about? Yeah, I have arguments with people that aren't even here or even arguing with me before they do so. That's kind of like my thing. Actually, I got that from my mom. My mom would like, God, what did she do? She would like talk for people. Like, so, oh, come on, egg. Come on, egg. Come on, egg. This is your time to shine, not to screw up here. Don't be a naughty egg. Don't be a naughty Eskimo. There we go. There's our egg. These eggs did pretty well. I did them yesterday morning, and my wife shucked them. Although, why do they have this, like... Some of these eggs are weird. For one out of the... one of them didn't work right. 1 out of 5 eggs boiled. That's right. That's pretty good. And we've got some... I'm going to use a little bit of angle cut, because that's the way they like it over there. And of course, we've got to have our Buldak seasoning. And you're going to be like, but wait, you're doing all this stuff too. How you gonna... What up, y'all? No, it's going to be all right. Because I'll take a bite there, and then I'll be able to tell you about it. But there's really nothing... I'm not even going to keep arguing with you. You guys argue too much. And complain. But anyways... yeah. Rotato, do your stuff. It's almost time for a mukbang. Whoa. That was weird. There you go. That's fitting. Alright, I'll shut that bloody bazooki off. So the next one you're gonna see is, actually, yeah, I can tell you that. The next one you're gonna see is one I've already done. From Brazil. This was sent by Keon. He went on a vacation and sent me this. That's pretty cool. I mean, Keon. It's like Ian with a K at the beginning. I keep, like, giving him, like, more of a African name, I think. Like Keenan Ivory Wayans. But no, it's Keon. Okay, sorry. Anyways, from Brazil, a beef variety. This has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Noodle. How much was this? How much was this? Now let's go. 太好看，一定要，太好看，一定要。